If you're a homeowner and you've been wondering what's actually worth improving without taking on a huge renovation or overspending, then this video is for you. Because not every upgrade adds value, and some of the best improvements are actually pretty simple. Hey there, I'm Brooke, and I help homeowners and first-time sellers in South Austin, Kyle, and Dripping Springs make smart, confident decisions, whether they're staying put or thinking ahead. This isn't about HGTV projects and full remodels. It's about low-cost, high-impact improvements that make your home feel better to live in now. And it positions it well if selling is in your future. Let's start with one of the biggest returns for the lowest cost: paint. You don't need to repaint the entire house. The biggest impact usually comes from refreshing those high traffic areas, covering up all those scuff marks and maybe some outdated colors, or even updating one or two spaces that may feel a little tired. Neutral, light tones tend to work best. They help spaces feel brighter, cleaner, and more open. Lighting is another improvement that's often overlooked. Swapping out dated builder basic fixtures can instantly modernize a space, especially in your entry, dining area, kitchens, and even bathrooms. Good lighting doesn't just change how a home looks, it can change how it feels, which is both important while you're living in it or if you're thinking about selling. The next one is small repairs. These can send a big message. I know it isn't exciting, but it is super important. Things like loose handles, squeaky doors, chipped trim work, and dripping faucets. When these things are taken care of, buyers and your guests feel like the home has been well maintained. Next is curb appeal. You don't need a full landscape overhaul to improve the curb appeal. Some of the best low-cost updates are fresh mulch, trimming the shrubs, power washing the sidewalk and maybe your driveway, and a clean, welcoming front door. First impressions matter, even if selling is just a someday plan. Plus, why not enjoy the freshness yourself while you're there? Okay, this last one might be the lowest cost improvement of all: decluttering and deep cleaning. It makes your home feel larger, improves day-to-day living, and gives you less things to clean and manage in the long run. And it sets you up well if photos or showings are in your future. It's not about perfection, it's about simplicity. Not every improvement adds value, and bigger isn't always better. Before you take on any large projects, it's helpful to consider how long you're going to stay in the property, what's typical for your neighborhood, and also what actually matters to buyers in your area. Smart improvements are about intention, not overspending. And the good news is you don't need to do everything at once. Small, thoughtful updates done over time protect your home's value and make it more enjoyable to live in now. If you ever want help figuring out which improvements make the most sense for your home, whether you're staying or you're thinking about selling down the road, I'm always happy to help. No pressure, just clarity. Talk soon.